Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create this very beautiful orange or rustic eye makeup look. So this is a very versatile look that you can pull it off with any outfit, whether it's Indian or Western. So now without further ado, let me show you how to create this very glam eye makeup look. So firstly, to prime my eyelids, I'm using this Maybelline concealer in the shade Light, and I'm normally applying it on my eyelids and then blending it out with the help of a beauty blender. And you can use any concealer to even out your skin tone and to make a perfect base for your eyeshadow. And to create this beautiful eye look, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Reloaded Palette Neutrals 2. And firstly, I'm going to take this warm orange shade, and this is going to be my transition color, and with the help of a blending brush I'm going to start blending this above my crease line. You just need to build up the intensity of this color. Just go slowly and gradually build up the color. And once you get that nice hue of color and you're happy with the intensity, then just move on to the next shade, which is this rustic red color. And I'm using this shade to deepen up the transition color, but I'm also going to keep this closer to my crease, and I'm going to blend this out with the transition color to give me that gradient effect. So the best way to get the maximum payoff from the color is to firstly pat it down really nicely where you want to place the color, and then very gently blend it out. And this way you will get the maximum coverage from your shade, because when you pat your color down to your eyelids, the stickiness of the concealer just holds it and gives you the maximum pigmentation. And I'm also blending this color on the outer corner of the eye. And now I'm using this brown shade on the outer corner, and I'm slowly packing the color as well as blending it out with a small blending brush. So you just need to deepen your outer corner or the outer V of the eye, and as well as your crease area, just to create that gradient. Now I'm going to take that previous brush without any color, and I'm going to blend out the edges so everything looks really soft and well blended into my skin tone. Now next up, I'm going to use some concealer to cover out the area where I want to cut the crease, and for that I'm using the same Fit Me concealer. And while the concealer is still sticky, I'm going to set it using that same warm orange shade. And now here comes my favorite part of adding glitters, and for that I'm using this Makeup Revolution glitter paste in the shade Feels Like Fire, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid area using my fingertips. So as you saw that firstly I tried to apply it with the help of a brush, but it didn't give that pigmentation with the help of a brush. So then I used my fingertips, because fingertips works best in applying the glitter. So it's personally your choice. You want to go ham on with the glitter or you want to go very gentle with that. It's just up to you. I am a person who loves glitter, so I'm adding a lot of glitter on my eyelid area. And after applying the glitter, now I'm again using that transition color, which is that warm orange shade, and just buffing everything out. And I'm using this very pretty highlighting shade to highlight my inner corners as well as the brow bone. And now using some more of this burnt orange shade, I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. And I'm also going to join this line with the top lash line. Now using this brown shade, I'm going to deepen up this color as well as thicken up my lower lash line. Now using this Maybelline Line Tattoo Crayon pen, I'm going to tightline my lower and upper waterline. And now coming to the liner, I'm using this Color Bar liquid eyeliner. This is a great liner for people who love eyeliners as it has a very fine brush, so you can really go in and create a very fine and intricate lines with this one. And I've done a very basic and a simple wing eyeliner. Now the mascara I'm using is the Hypercurl mascara from Maybelline, and I'm just going to apply a nice coat of mascara on my upper and lower lashes. Now for the falsies, I'm using these PAC M72 mink lashes and I'm just normally applying them. And yeah, that is the finished look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. And I really love this eye look because I love warm tones. And has a lot of warm oranges and rustic reds, so I really love this eye look. And here you can see that how this eye look looks with the falsies and without the falsies. On my right eye, which is your left, I have falsies on, and on my left eye, which is your right, I do not have falsies. So you can see the comparison. According to me, both these eye looks perfectly amazing. And yeah, if you recreate this look, please tag me on my social media handles. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So till then, bye bye, take care.